The palace reminds Vice President Sara Duterte, who is currently in The Hague, Netherlands, that she must continue fulfilling her responsibilities as the country's second highest official. In a briefing on Wednesday, March 19, Presidential Communications Office Undersecretary Claire Castro says the Vice President must consider that the country also needs her as the Vice President.
Tingin ko dapat po isipin po niya na kailangan din po siya ng Pilipinas bilang Vice Presidente. Siya po dapat ay nagtatrabaho hindi lang para sa kanyang ama, although na acceptable po at maiintindihan po natin sa ngayon ang kanyang nararamdaman. Pero tandaan niyo po niya, sinasabi niya po, milyon na Pilipino ang bumoto sa kanya at kailangan din po niyang pagsilbihan ito.
The Vice President is attending to her father, former President Rodrigo Duterte, who was sent to The Hague, Netherlands, to face the International Criminal Court over his alleged crimes against humanity. The office of the Vice President is once again under scrutiny after more alleged fake receipts of confidential funds, some with names seemingly inspired by food, were uncovered amid ongoing questions about non-existent beneficiaries. The list of questionable names include Jay Camote and Miggy Mango. In the same briefing, Castro says this needs to be investigated as the public deserves to know where their taxes go.
Kung ito man po ay na-discovery po, siguro po mas paigtingin pa po talaga ang pag-iimbestiga patungkol po dito. Bakit po? Kasi karapatan po ng taong bayan malaman kung saan po talaga ginagasta ang pera, no? Ang pondo ng bayan, ang kaba ng bayan, kung saan po nadadala. Kung ito man po ay na-discovery po, dapat po rin patunayan. Kasi as of the moment, nasabihin pa rin po natin, may presumption of regularity patungkol dyan. Pero since nako-question nga po ito, dapat lamang pong patunayan ni VP Sara kung ang mga resibong ito ay totoo o hindi.
Aside from this issue, Vice President Duterte is also set to face an impeachment trial after President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s fourth State of the Nation address in July. In an interview after her father's appearance before the ICC pre-trial chamber last Friday, March 14, Vice President Duterte said she would not return to the Philippines until her father's legal team is formed and another relative joins them in The Hague.